Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about one of the component that I use much for avoiding some strange behavior of Grasshopper, and I show you the problem. Sometimes I have to love some curves but I obtain some strange results. For example, I get into Grasshopper using this command curve, this bunch of curve. So right click on the left part of the component and set multiple curves. I select the curves I want to loft, and then I use loft, double click on the canvas and loft. Then I connect the curve to the loft, and this is what happened. It happened because let's see how the curves are made. I go in Rhino, select the curves and click DIR in order to evidence the direction of the curves. You can see that, for example, this curve is traveling in the opposite direction of the first course. This is okay and this is okay. So with this component that I will show in minutes, we solve this kind of problem. So if the direction is not the same, the loft wouldn't work. And now we will take this kind of situation. So in this kind of situation we have the order of the curve that is not good. Let me show you why. So we create a curve container just like before, and right click, set multiple curves, and we go to select all the curves here, and then right click to accept, and then we want to see the order. So we create a item, double click on the canvas, write item and select list item here, and then I use a slider to move between the curves. So I use 10 to create this slider. So let's see what I'm selecting here. Okay, so the first curve is this one. Okay, it's good for me. The second one is this one. It's not good for me. It should be this one, the second. The third curve is the second one. So there is a problem of order. So let me show this command that will solve both this problem. So to use this command, you have to download from Food for Rhino this plugin that is called Flexibility from Food for Rhino. Okay, it's full of very interesting components, and now we'll use this component that is called flip yes, flip and sort curves. Okay, let's take the first example here. Let's enable for the moment this Loft component here. Okay, I give in input the same curves. Now I have to select a curve that will guide my flip. So I create a container of curve, double click curve, right click, set one curve. I want to select the first one, my first curve, this one. Okay, and this will be my guide for the flipping. And now I have to create a guide for sorting. So I can go back in Rhino and I create a line between my first curve and my last curve. This will be the curve that will guide my order. So I create a curve, set one curve, and I use it to guide sort. Okay, now let's try to apply the same Loft component I applied before. So Loft, and I apply this component to the curves. Okay, and now Loft is working very well. Perfect. Okay, now we go to the second example here. And we applied the Loft here before to see the result before applying the command, the component. And so we apply the Loft directly to the curve, and this is the result. Disaster. And so now we apply the flip and sort curves command of flexibility. We connect the curve component, the curve container here to the curves. Now we have to select the guide curve for the flipping, and we select the first one, set one curve, and then we use it for guide flip. And then now I will create a vertical line that will define my my sorting. So line vertical in Rhino, and then I create a vertical line. We create a curve component here, set one curve, and guide sort here. Now we have a bunch of ordered curves. Let's see the result. Let's enable this result here, and then connect the result of flip and sort curves to Loft, and this is what we have. So this is the result we wanted from the beginning. Okay, if you like the tutorial, if you want more tutorial like this one, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Good day and good work.